Shared services and outsourcing are important organizational approaches used to improve the efficiency, effectiveness, and cost management of finance operations. Within the program framework, these models reflect the ongoing transformation of the finance function as organizations seek to optimize routine activities while allowing finance professionals to focus on higher value responsibilities. Advances in technology, standardization, and global connectivity have made it possible to centralize or outsource many finance processes. As a result, organizations can reduce duplication, improve consistency, and achieve economies of scale. These approaches support digital transformation and enable finance functions to contribute more strategically to organizational performance and value creation. A shared services model involves consolidating common finance activities into a centralized internal unit that provides services to multiple departments, business units, or geographical locations. Instead of each division maintaining separate finance teams for routine processes, activities such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll administration, transaction processing, and financial reporting are performed by a dedicated service center. This centralization improves process consistency, reduces duplication of effort, and enables standardization across the organization. Shared service centers often use common systems, procedures, and technologies, allowing organizations to improve efficiency while maintaining direct control over service delivery and operational quality. Outsourcing differs from shared services because finance activities are transferred to an external service provider rather than being performed internally. Organizations may outsource functions such as payroll processing, transaction management, bookkeeping, tax administration, or other routine finance operations. External providers often possess specialized expertise, advanced technology, and established processes that enable them to deliver services efficiently and cost-effectively. Outsourcing allows organizations to focus resources on core business activities while leveraging the capabilities of specialist providers. However, successful outsourcing requires careful vendor selection, contract management, performance monitoring, and governance to ensure that service quality and organizational objectives are maintained. Both shared services and outsourcing provide several potential benefits for organizations. Cost reduction is often a primary objective, achieved through economies of scale, process standardization, and improved resource utilization. Service quality may also improve as specialized teams develop expertise and implement best practices. Technology investments can be leveraged more effectively when processes are centralized or managed by dedicated providers. Additionally, these approaches allow finance professionals within the organization to focus on higher value activities such as business partnering, analysis, forecasting, performance management, and strategic decision support. Consequently, finance can evolve from a transaction processing function into a more influential contributor to organizational success. Despite their advantages, shared services and outsourcing also present challenges and risks. Centralization may reduce local flexibility and responsiveness to specific business unit requirements. Outsourcing can create dependency on external providers and may introduce concerns regarding data security, confidentiality, service quality, and regulatory compliance. Communication difficulties and cultural differences may also arise when services are delivered across multiple locations or countries. Finance leaders must therefore establish effective governance structures, performance measurement systems, and risk management processes. Continuous monitoring is essential to ensure that expected benefits are achieved while maintaining operational effectiveness and stakeholder confidence. Ultimately, shared services and outsourcing represent important components of modern finance operating models. By centralizing or externally sourcing routine finance activities, organizations can improve efficiency, reduce costs, enhance service quality, and support digital transformation initiatives. These approaches enable finance professionals to dedicate more time to analysis, insight generation, and strategic decision-making rather than administrative processing. However, successful implementation requires careful planning, strong governance, effective technology support, and ongoing performance management. As organizations continue to evolve in response to technological change and competitive pressures, shared services and outsourcing will remain valuable tools for enhancing finance function effectiveness and supporting sustainable value creation.